Let's look at inserting and editing a T within automet. You can add a T by clicking the T at the bottom, or by right-clicking in the schematic and selecting Add T. So we have added our T, and you can see that the branching flange defaults to the same size as the existing line pipe. To edit the T, double-click it, or right-click the T in the schematic and select Edit. You can change the size of the branching pipe and flange by using this drop-down box. You can add pipe length to the branch by changing the distance box within branch geometry. Change the direction of the branch by using the 3 dots in the branch geometry section. You can also add pipe length to the main line by changing the distance box in the line geometry section. You can create an off-grid direction by using the azimuth and zenith boxes, or by using the rectangular coordinates.